Chengdu GUTE Machinery Works Company, Limited was established in 1994. It currently has 2 major manufacturing bases and is a national high-tech enterprise. GUTE Research Center has been recognized as the Chengdu Expert Workstation and the Chengdu Enterprise Technology Center. GUTE has more than 200 patent certificates until now. At present, GUTE Machinery has become a professional brand of intelligent steel bar processing equipment supplier and a service provider of customized solutions for steel bar processing. In more than 70 countries and regions, with more than 1 million GUTE equipment has been serving the construction field. In 1994, Xinhua Machinery Factory was established. In 2000, number 1 production base was put into operation, and the company was renamed Chengdu GUTE Machinery Works Company, Limited. In 2008, adopted Italian technology and developed the first domestic European standard cutting machine GQ42D. Since then, GUTE start to cooperate many world-famous steel bar processing machinery brands. In 2011, the first automatic steel bar stirrup bender was put into production. GUTE start to produce more high-intelligent and automatic machines. In 2014, number 2 production base was put into operation, and same year the first silent oil change-free bending machine in China was developed. In 2019, GUTE Machinery was recognized as a national high-tech enterprise. In 2020, GUTE Research and Technology Center was recognized as Chengdu Academician Expert Workstation and Chengdu Enterprise Technology Center. In 2020, China's first patented automatic CNC stirrup bending machine without manual adjustment was successfully developed. In 2022, the world's first fully automatic steel cage production line, the world's first fully automatic box girder production line project was put into production. GUTE Machinery already become one of the leading steel bar processing manufacturer in the world. GUTE has very strict quality control system, around 100 machining centers imported from Japan and Germany. The manufacturing process adopts advanced laser cutting, shot peening, robot welding, special heat treatment and other processes. The key parts of the products choose world-famous brand to guarantee product quality. For 30 years, GUTE has always focused on the research and development steel bar processing equipment, providing intelligent steel bar processing solutions. The service is the second life of GUTE Machinery. We can provide you with faster and better quality service guarantees. Now GUTE Machinery was famous in manufacturing of small steel bar machinery, intelligent automatic steel bar machinery and customized steel bar equipment in the world. Make fun, enjoy the difference, and make work easier. After 30 years globalization, GUTE team has service outlets all around the world. GUTE Machinery, a global professional provider of steel bar processing solutions.